Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Brave search to Opera. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your Opera browser. Okay. So once you're in here, let's go ahead and find the gear icon right here at the bottom left. Click on Settings. Okay. And once that's done, go to the top. Okay. At the very top, just go ahead and type down Search. Like so. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find Search Engine. In here, as you can see, we have the change button. Just click on it, and as you can see, we don't have Brave. Now let's go ahead and add one. Okay. So click on Manage Search Engines inside Search. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Add right here under Site Search. Now in the name, just type down Brave. Shortcut Brave as well. And the URL is https://search.brave.com/search Q equals %S. Okay. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to. And then once done, just click on Add. Like so. As you can see here, we now have Brave. Now finally, to use it, unlike any other browser like Firefox, Edge, Chrome, Chromium, or even Brave, you just type down something right here like Brave. Okay. It will use the Brave search engine. But for Opera, it's not the same. If you want to use it, just go ahead and add in a new tab and just type down the shortcut, which is Brave. And if you want to, you can go ahead and change it. Okay. Under settings right here, just change the shortcut. You can go ahead and add in BR like so. Save. Let's go back, add in a new tab, type in BR and just hit on space. And then what you're going to do next is just enter your query. For example, 1 + 1. Okay, hit on enter. And as you can see here, it's now using the Brave browser. Okay, or you could just also type down BR space, hit enter. And here we have the Brave search engine. Okay, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.